What's going on, fellow investors? Hope everyone's having a great day. You know, I have a very extensive portfolio. I have a couple of portfolios, and I have different stocks, different exchange traded funds or ETFs, and I even have crypto portfolios. And while there's probably about 5 or maybe even 8 different stocks that I really believe in, there's one stock that I'm going to put all of my focus on, at least for the next couple of months. And pretty much make that my focus stock because I believe in it. And not only do I believe in it, I'm going to be using the platform that's owned by this particular stock today in this video, and that is Robinhood Markets. Ticker symbol HOOD, known to the regular person, the regular individual like your boy Rod, as Robinhood. And why do I believe in it so much? Man, they recently had the earnings report and it didn't go so well. They didn't really meet expectations. And Robinhood suddenly did what I didn't think it was going to do anytime soon. It went on sale. The price went down. And I'm telling you, man, when there's red in the street, your boy is ready to eat. And all I saw was red. It kept going down. And in this video, we're going to take a closer look at Robinhood, again, ticker symbol HOOD, and see why am I really believing in this stock. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks, crypto, exchange traded funds, or ETFs. More importantly, we show you my journey on how I take small amounts of money and put it into investments for my financial future. If that's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Get a video a thumbs up. Hit the like button so we can get this pushed out to more people and show them that you don't really need a lot of money to invest. Also, keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just everyday guy, man. Make sure you consult with a licensed professional or do your own research before you invest any of your hard-earned money. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, my journey. And today we're going to be taking a look at Robinhood. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me go over here and pull up Robinhood. And isn't it amazing? We're going to be talking about Robinhood. We're on Robinhood. Well, Robinhood is currently trading at $78.08 per share. Now, you're going to see here in a few minutes that it's really come down. It's even down $7.61 or almost 9%. It's down 8.89% today. And after market, it's trying to go back up. But I'm looking at this right here. Now, keep in mind, we're on Robinhood. The beauty of Robinhood, one of the reasons that I believe in it and I'm buying this stock, I don't have to have $78 to purchase Robinhood right now. I don't have to buy the entire pie. I can get a fractional share, a $5 piece of pie, a $10 piece of pie, a $2 piece of pie, whatever I can afford as long as it's $1 on Robinhood. Now, notice that it's after market, so the numbers are going to move. But I'm going to go down here. Now, we've already talked about one day, so I'm going to just put it right where I can keep it right there. So if I'm not going to do the last, well, yeah, I will in this video. The last week, it's down 10.61%. I'm right here, ladies and gentlemen, right here. So I'm not going to keep going back and forth because it makes the numbers move a lot. In the last month, it's down 33.29%. People are freaking out. But part of investing is believing in what you invest in. So I believe in Robinhood. I'm looking at the moves they've made over the last couple of years. They added crypto. They keep adding different cryptocurrencies. They have, now you can do the predictions markets with sports. It's so much that they're doing, and they're not getting left behind. Now, Robinhood is not a bank. It is a financial, what they call fintech, a financial technology company. So you hear fintech, financial technology, same thing. Now, in the last 3 months, man, what has it been doing? It's down 41.88%. People are probably saying, Rod, are you crazy? It's down. No, I'm not crazy. Just think of this as a pair of jeans or slacks or whatever you wear. And they used to be $100 and now they're $70. I'm not going to wait and hope they get to $30 because I have a feeling they're going to go back up. They're not going to be on sale long. So let me go ahead and snatch them up while they're $70 instead of waiting until they get back to 100. Same thing I'm doing with Robinhood. Year to date, what is it doing? Oh my goodness, it's still red. When it's red in the street, your boy Rod gonna eat. And right now, I'm about to go to the buffet, baby, because I'm telling you, this is on sale, man. You ain't got to believe me. I'm just showing y'all my journey. But when I come back and show y'all a couple weeks, couple months, whenever I do a follow-up video that, hey, your boy might have been on or something, Y'all just look at me and smile. Just put it in the comments. Whenever I do this and say, Rod, you know what? I'm just smiling. Now, look in the last year. It's up 39.53%. So I'm adding this up, 78 now, and carry this here. That's what, $100? So in the last year, it was at least $100 a share. But I'm not worried about all that. So I'm looking here in 5 years, and then this is where I want to show y'all something. Actually, I'm going to look at this. So it's up 105%. We're going to look at this. It's up 105% in the past 5 years. But I want to show you, look at how boring Robinhood was. And I actually own Robinhood then. $15, $15. I'm not going to go over that, but just look, y'all, $8.25. Look at what Robinhood did, $8.82. I'm just stopping at random places, man. $9.81. It was boring. So from here, from April 2022 to December, January 24, it was boring. May 24, doubled his money and went to 16. So I wouldn't call that boring. You double your money. You only went up a little bit here, but look what happened. You double your money. You were at $8 down here somewhere. Over here, $7, $8, $9 over here. But look right here, man. And when it went up, look at this. Look, in a week right here at December, it was 41. And then in February, Valentine's Day is 65. And then it just kept going. And I guarantee you, I know I made money because I never sold it. But here it is right here, October 3rd, $148.67 per share. Now it's 70. That's doubling my money. Yes, this is a 50% off sale. This is how I'm looking at this. Now, some people say, I just lost 50% of my money. I don't look at the glass as being half empty. This is a half full opportunity, and your boy is going to take advantage of it. So I'm not going to beat up a dead horse. Now, I do have Robinhood spread out in all of my portfolios, but for the sake of this channel, we're down 20% since I purchased it on this channel. $24.66 is the value. I bought it at $98.20. If I was to sell right now, just like I always tell you, it's usually the other way around. I bought it at $98.20. If I sell it right now at $77, I'm losing money. Not doing that, man. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just showing you why I believe in Robinhood. I'm going to buy more Robinhood. I'm not going to just go and throw all of the money into the pot and call it some financial gumbo. Your boy is not doing that. What I am going to do is dollar cost average. Instead of say twice a month or once a month, I may go 4 times a month. I may go 6 times a month. I'm not sure, but I'm going to take the same amount of money, regardless of the price, and put it into Robinhood. And if it's higher, I'm going to get less shares. If it's lower, I'm going to get more shares. Dollar cost average. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm doing. Just wanted to come on here and share with y'all. Let me know. Are you believing in Robinhood? Do you have some? I'd love to hear about it. Put it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Give this video a like. It helps it get pushed out. We're just trying to get everyone on board this investing train and show them how easy it is. For years, decades, people have made this some type of science project, and it's not that hard. Also, tell someone about the channel. Share it out. Let them know, hey, you got a dude over here in a ball cap, regular shirt, just talking regular, everyday talk. Not trying to sound too intelligent and educated. Sorry about that. I guess that was my phone somewhere. But with that being said, as always, I hope you have a blessed and prosperous day. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, more fire, more knowledge, more importantly, showing you my investment journey. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. Until the next time, much love, y'all. Peace.